Hello everyone, here I'm back with another video today. I got this AC unit, so I also have in my car all the scrap metal. So go to the scrapyard and scrap this on site to get out the copper aluminum radiator, brass bits. So I'm gonna scrap it right now, and after that I'm going to the scrapyard to cash in this steel and aluminum. And yeah, let me put you up. So I'm done at the scrapyard. What is left is this copper aluminum radiator with some bits of copper and brass over here. So even this box, wire and so on. Here. So yeah guys, I hope you had a good time watching this, had fun. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yeah guys, you can check out other videos of mine. I'll put links here. You can subscribe here to my channel. Oh, it's so windy here. Yeah, thank you for watching guys, so I will see you next time.